Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your delivery zone on Spark Driver. So if you want to work in a different area, then just follow along. First, open the Spark Driver app and sign in with your details. Then go to your account or zone settings. And if zone switching is available, browse the list of available delivery zones and select the one you want. Then confirm your selection and wait for the update to apply. Then you need to keep in mind that some zones may be full or unavailable, so you may not be able to switch immediately. And if you can't change your zone within the app, you need to contact Spark Driver support for assistance. After switching zones, try restarting the app and begin accepting offers in your new delivery area. So that was how to change your zone in Spark Driver. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.